A clean bike isn't just about looks, it's about enhancing performance, ensuring a longer lifespan for your components, and making every ride smoother and more enjoyable. With the right cleaning products, you can make bike maintenance a breeze. Today, we'll cover the top 7 bicycle cleaning products for 2024, each designed to keep your ride in pristine condition with minimal effort. Number 1. Bike Cleaning Kit 9-Piece. The Bike Cleaning Kit 9-Piece is a comprehensive set that includes all the essential tools to give your bike a thorough cleaning. With 9 different pieces, this kit offers versatility for tackling every part of your bike, from the frame to the chain. Each tool is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability for frequent use, and the ergonomic designs make them easy to handle during longer cleaning sessions. One standout feature of this kit is the range of brush sizes and shapes, which makes it easy to reach tricky areas like cogs, spokes, and derailleur components. The bristles are sturdy enough to remove stubborn grime, yet soft enough to avoid scratching sensitive surfaces. The chain cleaning tool included is especially helpful for maintaining your drivetrain, effectively clearing out dirt that could otherwise wear down your chain and gears. Overall, the Bike Cleaning Kit 9-Piece is perfect for cyclists looking for an all-in-one solution. It's durable, easy to use, and provides all the tools needed for a deep clean, keeping your bike looking and performing at its best.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Anndason 8-Piece Bike Cleaning Kit. The Anndason 8-Piece Bike Cleaning Kit offers a balanced combination of quality and practicality. This kit comes with 8 different tools specifically designed for bike cleaning, each made from sturdy plastic and high-quality bristles to withstand repeated use. The handles are designed to offer a comfortable grip, making each cleaning session easier and more efficient. In this set, the variety of brush heads really shines. Each brush is tailored for specific parts of the bike, including a dedicated chain cleaner that thoroughly scrubs every link, a tapered brush for getting into smaller crevices, and a long bristle brush for cleaning larger areas like the frame. The bristles themselves are durable yet gentle, ensuring you won't accidentally scratch your bike while removing dirt and grime. For cyclists who want a kit that covers all the essentials without unnecessary extras, the Anndason 8-Piece Bike Cleaning Kit is a smart choice. It provides everything you need for an effective clean, helping maintain your bike's performance and extending the life of its components. Number 3. Muc Off Waterless Wash 750ml. Muc Off Waterless Wash 750ml is a high-quality, convenient solution for cyclists who want to clean their bike without using water. This product is perfect for quick cleanups on the go or when a hose isn't available. The spray is formulated with advanced cleaning agents that lift and remove dirt and grime without leaving any residue or streaks, making it safe to use on all parts of your bike. What sets this product apart is its eco-friendly formula, which is free from harmful chemicals. It's safe to use on a variety of surfaces, including metal, plastic, and paint, making it versatile for different parts of the bike. Simply spray it on, wipe it off with a cloth, and you're left with a clean, polished finish that looks like new. The bottle itself is designed for easy spraying, allowing you to cover large areas efficiently. For cyclists who need a portable and effective cleaning solution, Muc Off Waterless Wash 750ml is an excellent choice. It saves water, is environmentally friendly, and provides a quick, easy way to keep your bike in top condition. Number 4. 7-Piece Bike Cleaning Tool Set. The 7-Piece Bike Cleaning Tool Set is a compact yet highly effective cleaning kit that covers all the basic cleaning needs of a cyclist. Made with durable materials, each tool in this set is designed to handle regular cleaning jobs while providing a comfortable grip for extended use. Despite its smaller size, the set includes brushes tailored for different areas of the bike, making it easy to clean every component thoroughly. One of the highlights of this kit is its flexibility. The tools include a specialized chain cleaner, which fits comfortably around the chain to scrub away dirt from each link, and a narrow brush perfect for getting into tight spaces around the gears and spokes. The bristles are sturdy and designed to remove even the most stubborn grime, while being gentle enough to avoid scratching the bike's finish. Ideal for casual and regular riders alike, the 7-Piece Bike Cleaning Tool Set is both affordable and efficient, giving you the essential tools to maintain a clean, well-functioning bike without taking up too much space. Number 5. WD-40 Bike Cleaner 32 ounces. The WD-40 Bike Cleaner 32 ounces is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution from a trusted name in maintenance products. Specifically formulated for bikes, this cleaner is designed to cut through dirt, grease, and grime with ease, leaving your bike spotless. It's safe to use on multiple surfaces including metal, rubber, plastic, and paint, so you can spray it directly onto your bike without worrying about damage. This cleaner is simple to use. Just spray it on the areas that need cleaning, allow it to sit for a few moments, and then rinse it off or wipe it with a cloth. Its formula penetrates deep into tough dirt and grease, making it effective for both quick touch-ups and deep cleaning sessions. The 32 ounces bottle size offers plenty of product for multiple uses, providing excellent value for regular cyclists. The WD-40 Bike Cleaner is ideal for cyclists looking for a trusted, all-purpose solution that's easy to use and highly effective. Its convenience and power make it a must-have for anyone looking to keep their bike clean and well-maintained. Number 6. Oumers 10-Piece Bike Cleaning Kit. The Oumers 10-Piece Bike Cleaning Kit is an extensive set that offers tools for every aspect of bike cleaning. With 10 different pieces, it provides specialized tools for handling everything from the frame to the chain and wheels. Each tool is made from high-quality materials, designed to resist wear and tear, ensuring that this kit will serve you well over time. This kit includes a variety of brushes, a chain cleaner, and a specialized cleaning mitt, each tailored for different areas of the bike. The chain cleaner tool, for instance, fits snugly around the chain to remove dirt from every link, while the large, soft bristle brush works perfectly on larger surfaces like the frame. The cleaning mitt is a nice addition, allowing you to apply pressure in harder-to-reach areas. For cyclists who want a full cleaning solution in one package, the Oumers 10-Piece Bike Cleaning Kit is an excellent choice. Its comprehensive range of tools makes it versatile and effective, allowing you to keep your bike in pristine condition with minimal effort. Number 7. Gtechniq Bike Cleaner 1 Liter. The Gtechniq Bike Cleaner 1 Liter is a premium solution for those who want a high-quality cleaner that's both powerful and safe for their bike. This cleaner is formulated with advanced cleaning agents that break down dirt and grime without harming the bike's finish or components. Its 1 liter size ensures you have plenty of product for multiple cleaning sessions, making it a long-lasting investment. This cleaner is easy to use. Just spray it on, let it sit for a few moments, and then rinse or wipe it off. Its formula is designed to lift dirt effectively, making it ideal for use on heavily soiled areas like the drivetrain. It's safe to use on metal, plastic, rubber, and paint, so it's versatile enough for all parts of the bike. Additionally, Gtechniq's cleaner is environmentally friendly, offering an effective clean without harmful chemicals. For cyclists who prioritize quality and eco-friendliness, Gtechniq Bike Cleaner 1 Liter is a great option. It delivers a thorough clean and leaves your bike looking refreshed, making it a solid addition to any cyclist's maintenance routine. Keeping your bike clean doesn't have to be a chore with the right tools and products. From all-in-one cleaning kits to specialized solutions like waterless wash and eco-friendly cleaners, these products make it easy to maintain your bike. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to pick the best products for your ride to keep it looking and performing its best all year round.